Come here, baby.
Good girl.
It's okay, baby.
Black bastard. That's it. Sure, she's being good enough for the camera.
You know what? We're both surrounding her, too. Oh, so all the top ones, all the front ones are done.
Let's go.
We gotta do the back
Let's
piggies
go.
now.
Come on.
Here you go, Luce.
Come on, let me make sure.
Kick me away.
Well, come on. Come on.
The hell are you, a jackrabbit?
Come on.
Lucy,
What are you, crazy?
be a good
Crazy
girl.
You got all this? Come on. Come on. Listen, I got it. Get over here.
What's the matter, baby?
Want to go in?
Well, we don't want her in. We got 9 more nails.
Come here, Dad.
Yeah, at least she can't hide, Mom.
7 more.
You can catch her when
Dad
she's
wanted
inside.
to hog tie her to do this. Now be a good girl. Almost done. Almost done. Look at the tail. The tail's going, huh? Wait a minute. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more, Lucy. 2 more. Lucy. 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 I gotta get this hook back here.
Good girl. Oh.
Lucy. Lucy.
Susan, would you clip him?
I can't find them. Lucy, where are you going? I got you. I got you. I got you. I think we're going to vacuum you when we're done, okay? Got her?
Her tail was spinning like a helicopter.
Now, come on, give me this hook. Yep, this one. And this one. That's it. Now I'm going to get the vacuum. We're going to vacuum you.
Wasn't that easy? No. We're all done. We're all done. We're all done. Calm down. Calm down.
Hold her with 2 hands. What's wrong with you?
You got these massive gloves on. You kidding me?
Hold
Let's get her down.
Come on,
Stay.
hold on.
Stay. Oh yeah.
No? You don't like
Oh,
that?
I don't understand why she didn't like that.
Look at you. You're on the neck. Lucy. Okay. You're a good girl.
Why don't you just hose her down while you're at it?
Shh. You still want to go outside?
You're a good girl.
This is what happens when you go outside.
Come over. He's not even on the ground. Got my hand in her butt. Ready?
Okay.
Hey, Blackie.
Okay.
Open the door.
You're a good girl, Lucy. Now you're
So, what'd you think of that, Dad?
Getting better every time.